Welcome to Phantom 10. Today we explore a cosmic what if. What if our very own sun exploded? This isn't just a theoretical exercise, it's a journey into the heart of stellar physics and cosmic drama. Imagine, for a moment, the unimaginable. A celestial being, 1,000,000 times the size of our planet, suddenly erupts in a catastrophic supernova. The sheer energy released would be beyond comprehension, outshining entire galaxies for a brief moment. The sun, the anchor of our solar system, the giver of life, would cease to exist. Its light, which has nurtured our planet for billions of years, would vanish, plunging the solar system into darkness. The core, for eons a nuclear furnace fusing hydrogen into helium, would exhaust its fuel. This process, which has been the sun's lifeline, would come to a dramatic halt. Gravity, the ever-present sculptor of the cosmos, would take over. Without the outward pressure from nuclear fusion, gravity would cause the core to collapse. The core would collapse in on itself, triggering a shock wave that ripples outwards. This shock wave would be powerful enough to obliterate anything in its path. This wouldn't be a gentle process. This would be a cosmic temper tantrum of unimaginable proportions. The explosion would send stellar material hurtling through space, creating new elements and possibly even new stars in the process. The remnants of our sun would become part of the cosmic tapestry, contributing to the birth of new celestial bodies. Here on Earth, we wouldn't know of our impending doom for about 8 minutes. The last rays of sunlight, carrying the news of our sun's demise, would take that long to reach us. We would continue our daily routines, oblivious to the cosmic drama unfolding millions of miles away. Children would laugh, birds would sing, and the sun would, for those 8 minutes, still seem to smile down on us. But then, the light show would begin. The first sign of trouble would be a blinding flash of light, far brighter than anything we have ever seen. This wouldn't be a sunset. This would be the universe screaming. Every shadow would vanish, replaced by an all-encompassing, searing light. The light wouldn't be our only enemy. A wave of intense heat would follow, instantly boiling away our atmosphere and vaporizing anything in its path. Oceans would turn to steam, mountains would melt, and the Earth's surface would be scorched beyond recognition. This wouldn't be a fire. This would be the sun's final, deadly embrace. Ironically, following the initial burst of heat, the Earth would plunge into an eternal night. With the sun gone, there would be no source of light or warmth. Temperatures would plummet rapidly, reaching levels unseen in the history of our planet. The once vibrant blue marble would transform into a frozen wasteland, shrouded in darkness. The oceans, if any remained, would freeze over, creating a solid, lifeless shell. Life, as we know it, would be utterly impossible. A year into our sunless existence, the Earth would resemble a rogue planet, adrift in the vast emptiness of space. The once familiar constellations would be gone, replaced by an alien sky of unfamiliar stars. The planet would continue to cool, its surface becoming a desolate, cratered landscape. The atmosphere, now a thin, icy veil, would offer no protection from the relentless bombardment of cosmic rays. Silence would reign supreme, broken only by the howling of solar winds as they whipped across the barren landscape. 2 years after the sun's demise, the Earth would be a chilling testament to the power of our now absent star. The once vibrant and bustling cities, filled with life and energy, would now be silent and still, encased in a thick layer of ice. The streets, once filled with the sounds of human activity, would be eerily quiet, the only sound being the occasional creak of ice expanding and contracting. Temperatures would likely have stabilized around -450 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough to freeze nitrogen, the most abundant gas in our former atmosphere. The air, once breathable and life-sustaining, would now be a deadly frozen mist, crystallizing upon contact with any surface. The very breath of life would be a distant memory, replaced by the harsh, unyielding cold. The remnants of our cities, once symbols of human achievement, would stand as frozen monuments to our fleeting existence. Skyscrapers, once reaching for the heavens, would now be icy tombs, preserving the last traces of humanity. Statues, once celebrating our heroes in history, would be ghostly figures, frozen in time. The planet, once teeming with life, would be reduced to a barren, frozen husk. The forests, once lush and green, would be silent and still, the trees encased in ice. The oceans, once teeming with life, would be frozen solid, a vast expanse of ice stretching as far as the eye can see. Our story would be over, but the universe, ever indifferent, would continue on. The stars would still shine, distant and cold, their light a reminder of the warmth and life that once was. The cosmos, vast and unfeeling, would carry on, indifferent to the fate of one small frozen world. While our solar system would be in ruins, the rest of the universe would remain largely unaffected by our sun's demise. The vastness of space means that even such a cataclysmic event would be but a minor disturbance in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. The universe is a resilient entity, constantly evolving and adapting to changes, both big and small. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is a vast and ancient structure, containing billions of stars, each with its own unique story and journey. These stars, scattered across the galaxy, form a complex and dynamic system that has existed for billions of years and will continue to do so long after our sun has faded away. Many of these stars are far more massive and powerful than our sun, burning brightly and influencing their surroundings in ways we are only beginning to understand. Their immense energy and gravitational pull shape the very fabric of the galaxy, creating new stars and planets in a never-ending cycle of birth and death. Our sun's explosion, while catastrophic on a local scale, would be but a blip on the cosmic radar, a fleeting event in the grand scheme of things. The universe has witnessed countless such explosions, each one contributing to the ongoing cycle of creation and destruction that defines the cosmos. A fleeting spark in the grand scheme of things, our sun's demise would be a reminder of the impermanence of all things. Yet it is this very impermanence that drives the universe forward, pushing it to evolve and adapt in ways we can scarcely imagine. Life, in some form, might exist elsewhere in the universe, continuing on, oblivious to the fate of the small blue planet that once orbited a now-dead star. These distant worlds, with their own unique ecosystems and inhabitants, would carry on, unaffected by the events that transpired in our corner of the galaxy. The universe is vast and full of mysteries, and while our story may come to an end, the cosmic narrative continues. Somewhere out there, life persists, thriving in the face of adversity, and reminding us that the universe is far greater and more wondrous than we can ever comprehend. The death of our sun, while insignificant on a galactic scale, would have a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. The event would provide astronomers with an unprecedented opportunity to study a supernova up close, revealing secrets about stellar evolution and the creation of heavy elements. The data collected from this cosmic tragedy would undoubtedly advance our knowledge of the universe, reminding us of the awe-inspiring power and indifference of the cosmos. Our demise would be a cosmic lesson, etched in the fabric of space-time. Thank you for joining us on Phantom 10 today as we explored the hypothetical, yet awe-inspiring scenario of our sun's explosion. Though a chilling thought, it serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life and the awe-inspiring scale of the universe we inhabit. Until next time, Keep looking up and never stop questioning the universe around us.